Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 4 of the subseries C# Monotron combo box. In this video we will start writing some initial code and we will prepare the example. So these are all the slide decks from previous parts. So first in the form load event of the example, we access our owner drawn combo box. So the name given for it is owner DC combo items.add. So that means here we are adding some items to our combo box. So 3 plus 3 7. There are 7 color items we are adding to our combo box. After this, we write a utility method. Method name is getColor, which accepts a string color name, returns a color object to the caller. So since it returns a color object, we can use this on any of the control properties. So by default, we define color.black and we assign that to the COL color. Then we form a set of if condition. We check the incoming parameter color name. Say for example, let us consider only this one color name. If it is red, we assign COL as color.red. So the same way for blue, we use color.blue. Likewise, we set the COL and finally we return that COL. That's the utility function here. It accepts a string name and returns the actual color object. Then for our combo box, we handle the selected index changed event, and if nothing is selected, we return from this function. Otherwise, we use the selected index and we refer combo box dot items collection. Here, say for example, index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, likewise it go. If user selected blue, then selected index will be 1 and items of 1 will return blue, and we convert that as a string and store that as a string color. After that, we make use of a getColor and we pass this string and we retrieve the color object and we assign that to the foreColor property of our notepad. A txt notepad is nothing but our multi-line text box. Txt notepad is nothing but our multi-line text box, and we access its foreColor property and assign the color returned by this getColor. Now we will go to demo and prepare this example. So first we need to handle the form load event. So here we are adding initial code. So we are setting some initial color to our combo box. Next, we write the utility function. So getColor, as you see, it accepts a string, then returns actual color object. So initially we assigned it as black, then we have multiple if else black, and based on the string we get the color and we assign it to the color object, and finally we return that to the caller. Next, select this combo box, go to events, selected index changed, double click here. So that's all. The code was already explained in the PowerPoint slide. Now we will try running it. And if you see, once I click the down arrow, nothing happens. Why? Because the combo box expects owner. Owner is the form here. Form should draw everything. Now let's go to the property and we will change the owner draw from fixed to normal mode. So once you set normal mode, the combo box itself will draw the content. And if you see, this is the default behavior, and whatever item we are adding, that get rendered into this drop down. And you can see the highlight as well here. Now we will change back this to owner draw fixed. We will save everything. Alright, from next video onwards we will start doing the drawing here, so that we take a complete control of displaying the items in this combo box. For now we tested the items are adding or not by setting the mode to normal. After that we change the draw mode to owner draw fixed. Alright, now we will leave it as it is. That means we will leave the draw mode as owner draw fixed, and we will continue from here in the next video. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.